Yo, what's up? All right, so I'm on the inside today. Um, just come back from Walmart. Do this unboxing for y'all. Okay, so this is what I got. GoPro 8 bundle. They had a deal on these, so I saw it. This the 8 black. It's the box that it come in. I don't really know anything about this one. The other GoPro that I had was a 7, and I sold it. So let's see right here. Oh, this is hard. Trying to tie it up. We'll have to take it back and give it back to him. Okay. Let's get what we got in here out. Okay, and that's everything in there. Dual battery charger. And that, what is this? Is this a battery here? Yep, that's one battery there on this box. And I know some of y'all say, well, man, you went with the 8, why not with the 9? Well, really, I didn't need the 9. You know? I'm not a professional, you know? So, I decided, and plus, all of my stuff from the 7 will work with the 8. So I thought, that would be the best deal for me. This is the best deal for me. And like I said, they gave a really good price on it also. There we go. Okay, so this one, we have a manual, charging cable, type C. That's good. Sometimes you can never have too many of those. Okay, and this is the charging dial. Feels nice. Okay, just another battery here. Oh, some of the instruction type thing. Because they make more than one type. Get the battery out of this one. Because I'm probably going to end up having to charge both of these. Okay, press them down. So now let's get to the goodies. GoPro 8. I'm probably going to look at a couple of videos to see if there's anything special that I need. Or, that's good. That's... But I can't really think of that. But I do like this case. I'm also liking that they gave me another Type C. I have one battery here. Attachment. This could work from a helmet. It could work from a helmet there. Got another one with the 3M on it. And the thumb screw. Okay, as for the camera here, so we can get it out. It's looking pretty good. Let's see what's this paper they got going around it. Feels good. I didn't know they had that under there. That's cool. It's a cool little flush mount. That's cool. I like it. The back. Record button. Power button. Okay, you slide. I may have to look to see how to open it. Yes, I may have to look to see how to open it. Because I don't know how. Okay, that push down. Yep. Hold tight, I gotta figure out how to, how to open it. Okay, so it took me a second. I took a quick look at this, at the head right here. So if you need to see it, what it is you push it down and the whole door pops open. Also, this does come off, which is not the greatest because what that does is makes everything exposed. So hopefully case. I have my case. I'm gonna try that, and that should help it. But I don't like it being all that super exposed. I don't know if this battery has a charge or not, but let's just take a chance and see. Okay. See this. So, does have some power. Come with power with the new battery. Okay, so I got to do setup. And more than likely, okay, I'm gonna have to also put the app, but I'm gonna skip it for now. The date. This is 12. Okay. Oh, gotta get the year right. Time. Um, okay. Also got on standard, but that looks pretty good. Got my information up front here. I'm gonna still have to kind of play with it though. Showing that I got no SD card in was correct. Only got about 16% battery. Okay. But yeah, I'm about to play with it to get my settings. Right now I got it on 1080-60. But yeah, I'm about to play with it to get the settings that I want. So far I'm liking it though. I'm also liking the feel of it. The only thing I didn't like was that door. Did not like that door, dudes. Boys and girls. Okay. Okay, that's pretty much the same there. Alright. Power it off. Because I got to charge it anyway. I'm going to charge that battery. I got the other two batteries charging, so that's good. That's what I'm saying. I like the case, so that's a good thing. And I'll keep this just in case I ever need it. But I like that. So, GoPro 8. Go get a thumbs up for me. I'll be doing some videos with this. Also, for I need to do some more riding videos. But I like it so far. Okay, y'all. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank y'all for coming and enjoying the video with me. Thank y'all.